I hope you've been enjoying some of my Take 5 yoga videos on YouTube. But did you know that once a month I offer a free virtual yoga practice perfect for beginners and gentle yogis? Hi, I'm Rosemary, and this is your invitation to Gentle Beginnings Yoga. This online class is offered through Zoom, so you can practice right from the comfort of your own home. Now, even if you've never tried yoga before, this gentle step-by-step practice is perfect for beginners. No experience necessary. I'll leave a link below so you can check out the registration page. See if the date and the time work for you. I'd really love to have you join me. Are you ready to begin your midlife yoga journey? Come on, let's get started.